Hey friends, welcome to Build Learning Club. In this tutorial, I will show you how can you find a GCD or HCF, means highest common factor of any list or array. In the previous video, I discussed about how can you find the LCM of any array or list. So welcome to this series and welcome to this video. So let's start. At first, we are defining a function for finding the GCD. So just type def gcd underscore find. This is the function name, and just pass the list, and list is the parameter actually. And now type the result is a variable, result, result equal list, and grab the first element of the list. So just grab the first element of the list, and now create a for loop for x in list, and grab the second element to the last. So here I just leave it blank because this is from the second element to the last. Okay, so now if result less than x, then what we will do, then here is a temporary result. I just name it res equal result, and now result equal x, and now just type x equal res. This is the temporary result, and now just create the while loop. While x not equal 0, then res, this temporary result, equal x, and res equal x, and x equal what? X equal result modulus, and just type the x, and this actually find the remainder. And now the result equal res. Okay, so here just return the result. This is so simple, return result, and the function is ready. So here I just put a list here. So list list1 equal, just put a list 2, 4, 6, 10. So I just find the HCF of this list. So here just print, use the print statement, and the HCF of the list is, now call the function. What is the function? GCD finder. GCD finder is our function to find the GCD, and the pass list1. So just pass the list1 and now run it. Okay, so the HCF of the list is 2. You can see here the HCF of this list is 2. Here you can use the input also. So here txt and equal input, input, and just put the numbers and separated by comma. E.g. example, just like 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now here just, this is a string, so we need to split this list by comma. So here just type x equal txt dot split, split, and split by comma, and now HCF of the list, and now list is x. Okay, so now save it and run it. So just type the value 5, 10, 15, 20. So HCF will be 5. So not all argument converted during string format. So what we have to do now? So here just when we use this result, so here you have to convert this list element into the integer. So just type the int and list of 0. Here just converted the first element of the list into the integers. So after convert the first element of the list into the integer, now here just put int of x, integer of x, and result is in integer and this also is in integer. Now result equal x, here also put int of x, and race equal result, and result is integer, here you can see. And now all are okay, I think. Now save it, and here is a while loop. Here x not equal 0, so you have to convert into the integer also. So just type int x not equal to 0, and here race equal what? Race equal to int of x, integer of x. And now all are okay. Now just run this and just put the value 5, 10, 15. The HCF of the list is 5. Okay, so this works perfectly. So now run again it and just put the value 100, 500, 180, 280. So what is the HCF? HCF of the list is 20. Okay, so this works successfully. So this is a very simple tutorial, and I just show you by input method and also raw method. So that's it for this tutorial, and just follow this playlist, and thanks for watching this video. See you in next tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching friends. Thank you again.